If you've got really old hardware, you may need to soak these bolts overnight. You can use a penetrating oil like PP Blaster. Place the rotor hat on the rotor ring and insert the new drive pins. Make sure to use the included washers and screws. Take note of the washers that were included. If you've got a fully floating rotor kit, the washers are flat. If you have a semi-floating rotor kit, the washers are going to be cone-shaped. Be careful if you're using anything other than your hands. I'm using a clutched cordless drill, and it's set real low. Now let's torque everything down. These screws should be torqued down to 72 inch-pounds, which is 6 foot-pounds. Make sure the torque wrench you choose has the appropriate range. Torque wrenches are generally most accurate in their mid-range. So using that torque wrench you use for your wheels, probably not a good idea. Additionally, mark all the hardware as you go with a paint pen. This will let you know you've finished torquing a bolt, and it'll let us inspect the hardware in the future. Typically, when you torque down bolts, you want to use some type of star pattern so you don't bind up one side over the other. Because this is a fully floating rotor, I'm not super concerned about it. But it's something to make note of. The included thread locker are actually wicks, so we can apply it once we're done torquing everything down. That's it! Alright, like and subscribe. More videos to come.